liar. You're saying that I'm a liar? Sir, say that I'm a liar, really. Sinasabi mo, I'm a liar. And I'm just returning to you the favor. Oh my gosh! You're a liar! She's a liar, kuya! You're a freaking liar, miss! May pinag-aralan akong tao. Tinamik mo ako, ang sabi mo, anong problema mo, ate? Sorry? Sorry? That's how you say sorry? Pag sinabi kong, sorry, ate, tatanggapin mo? Ha? Oh my gosh, she's a liar! You're a freaking liar, miss! I'm a liar? You're saying I'm a liar? I'm a liar. Really?